Hey, welcome to Useful Tech. And in today's video, we're going to go over the top 10 best electrical toothbrushes. Check out the Amazon links in the description. Number 10. ProSys Variosonic Electric Toothbrush. It is overall an excellent electric toothbrush. It is a cost-effective and straightforward dental hygiene product. If you are looking for the best electric toothbrush for sensitive teeth, then this one is going to be great, even you will realize. It has a 1-month battery life at a single charge. There are 5 different brush heads, 5 different speed levels, travel case, USB wall adapter, and charging dock. The more advanced feature is that it can easily connect to your phone using Bluetooth for brushing feedback. It's really great to attain and maintain teeth health and proper oral hygiene. It is available with the price tag of $79.99 at Amazon. Number 9. Philips Sonicare. Are you looking for a budget-friendly electric toothbrush? Here is the Philips Sonicare toothbrush and is the most affordable with the price tag of $67.3. There are limited features but still offer a gentle and effective clean between the teeth and along the gum line. There is 1 brush head, 2 minutes timer, 1 mode, and a 2-week battery life. It removes up to 2 times the plaque than a manual toothbrush. It uses powerful sonic technology to clean teeth up to 31,000 strokes per minute. There is a battery indicator at the brush display that shows the battery life and blinks when needed to recharge. Number 8. Waterpik CC01 Complete Care 9.0 Sonic. Are you looking for the effective and best water flosser electric toothbrush? Then Waterpik CC01 Complete Care 9.0 Sonic is the best choice for you. It is very easy to use and a significant water flosser that removes up to 99.99% of plaque. It is a rechargeable electric brush that offers 31,000 strokes per minute. It is very effective and delivers 1,400 water pulses per minute. There are 3 sonic modes like message mode, clean mode, and whiten mode. The additional features are including a toothbrush travel case, 2 triple sonic brush heads, 5 water flosser tips, deluxe recharge indicator display, and 2 minutes timer with 30 seconds quadrant pacer. It is available with a price tag of $99.99. It helps prevent teeth decay and take care of them. It gets deep between teeth and below the gum line to remove plaque and debris. Number 7. Rotodent Contour. There are different ranges of electric toothbrushes available in the market. Some of them move up and down, and the others just vibrate, but the Rotodent Contour moves in circles. This is an electric toothbrush with very soft bristles, which means to minimize damage to your gums. It's as effective as brushing and flossing. The one feature of it that brushes automatically shuts off after 2.5 minutes of use. The battery time is at least up to 3 weeks. There are 2 modes, clean and gentle. The first mode is purely that presumably effective brushing, whereas the second will give sensitive mouths a break. It removes 92% plaque in the first minute of brushing. It came up with a price tag of $115.41. It is clinically proven effective, brushing and flossing. It is specially designed for better home care brush head detail and 90,000 filament sweeps per second. It is an incredible, amazing and beneficial electric toothbrush for health purposes. Number 6. Oral-B 7000 Smart Series Electric Toothbrush. This electrical toothbrush is a toothbrush that has all standard features, a pressure sensor, deep sweep, floss clean, plus 6 cleaning modes, including one for the tongue. Allows you to brush based on your needs, and even the world's first Bluetooth connectivity between brush and smartphone. So, it is a really smart and amazing toothbrush. Its app sets the goals for you, and when you make an effort to reach them, actually keeps track of your brushing habits. In this way, the app motivates you with helpful oral care tips. When it works, it rotates more than 800 times per second and breaks up the plaque 100% than a manual toothbrush. If your gums are bleeding, swelling, or hurting, then this device can solve all your problems. It is also very good for whitening. It is available with a price tag of $128.94. Number 5. Philips Sonicare Flexicare Plus Sonic Electric Rechargeable Toothbrush. This electrical device is the best for plaque removal, up to 6 times better versus a manual brush. It's really amazing. It moves with the speed of up to 62,000 cycles per minute. With this speed, it creates such a heavy force that the plaque off between the teeth and along the gum line without touching the teeth. While most toothbrushes needed mechanical contact with the teeth surface to remove the plaque, its quadrant timer helps to ensure recommended brushing time according to their dentists. This device has 5 brushing modes and a variety of brush heads for different applications, which increase its versatility. Its features are great, and I am sure you will love it after using it. It comes up with a price tag of $93.99. The battery timing is incredibly unique and lasts up to 3 weeks that make it ideal for travel. It is highly recommended by professionals and brushing time should be 2 minutes. Number 4. Oral-B Pro 3000. Oral-B Pro 3000 toothbrush is a good product for sensitive gums and teeth because it has a variety of brush heads. These sensitive gum care brush heads help you to feel relaxed. It is easy to use, as well as it rotates instead of just vibrating and cleaning your teeth completely. Its pressure sensor lights up to indicate to let you know when you are brushing too hard. Its small size of the brush head is helpful for those people who have a small mouth, and it will be useful for them. It has a 3-mode toothbrush handle like Gum Care Mode, Sensitive Mode, and Daily Clear Plus. It whites your teeth from the first use and then will increase your teeth's color when you brush again and again. If you recharge it when it's charging almost empty, the battery will work for a long time. It is available with a price tag of $88.2. It is compatible with multiple oral care needs like floss action, 3D white, sensitive gum care, dual clean, deep sweep, cross action, and precision clean. The Oral-B app connects with the electric toothbrush through Oral-B's Bluetooth technology to monitor the brushing routines and daily monitoring. Number 3. Diamond Clean Smart. Diamond Clean, the smart toothbrush, is a unique, stylish, and long battery life electric toothbrush on a single charge. It is very easy to charge. It has a great performance to clean teeth, plaque control, and gum health. Although it's expensive but beneficial regarding health, it is available for $189.99. The full value for money electric toothbrush. It helps you to be aware of any missed spots during brushing teeth through the Sonicare app. You can also use water to wash its handle without any hesitation after brushing because water will not go out of order. By using different heads, more than one person may use Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart Toothbrush. It has a pressure sensor as well as a timer on its handle, which helps you when you clean your teeth. The most stunning thing about this electric toothbrush is that it removes up to 100% stains in just 3 days. 10% more plaque and gum health improvement up to 7 times just in 2 weeks. Number 2. Foreo ISA 2. This electrical brush is a little unique from other electrical toothbrushes that are available in the market. The dental perfection ends with the ISA 2, as it is the world's first silicone sonic toothbrush. The silicone bristles feel soft on the gums and teeth. It is a very effective way to remove the plaque and gently hug gums. It comes up with 2 amazing features, ultra soft and hygienic bristles. The 16 adjustable speeds give you full control, and you can adjust them according to you. The 2-time sonic power makes sure to clear the whole mouth properly and let it fresh and clean. Put the regular paste on the toothbrush head, and after that, turn it on and brush the teeth properly. It came up with the price of $169. The battery is extremely powerful, which takes 1 hour to charge and 1 year's life at a single charge. Number 1. Oral-B IO Series 9 Electric Toothbrush. It is one of the best electric toothbrushes and surprisingly pleasant. It is very easy to use and leave your teeth clean to the next level of cleanliness. There are 7 different modes, including gum care, sensitive mode, tongue cleaning, daily clean mode, super sensitive, whitening, and intensely clean. It starts with default settings that can be changed by you at any time. There's a smart pressure sensor for gum protection. It displays the red light when brushing too hard and green light when it's just right. It tracks the brushing habit through the Oral-B app and is connected with the brush thoroughly through Bluetooth. The other amazing features are LCD lights indicator, 3D teeth tracking, smart pressure sensor, mouth quadrant sensor, magnetic drive, and quiet motor. It is an expensive and high-budget electrical toothbrush at $299.99. However, it is the best choice for both technology and hygiene-wise. I hope you liked this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.